So guys, today we will gonna study spherical polar coordinate. So as you know, in Cartesian coordinate there are three axes x, y, z. The same way spherical polar coordinate has three axes, which is known as r, theta and phi. These are the three axes of spherical polar coordinates. So let's understand it with the help of an example. So first we draw the Cartesian coordinate, and then I will show you the spherical polar coordinates. So there are three axes in Cartesian coordinate. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. So what is r coordinate? So if we assume a point anywhere in this three-dimensional space, let's assume this is a point, and if we draw if we join it with a line from the origin, so this is known as r coordinate. R, it can go up to infinity. The limit of r is from 0 to infinity. As you know, 0 is here and infinity, it go till up to infinity. And what is theta coordinate? The angle that r subtend with z axis is known as theta. This is known as theta coordinate. So the limit of theta is from, this is 0, and the theta goes till like this. Theta goes till 180. The limit of theta is from 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay, and what is that phi coordinate? So if we take the projection of r coordinate in xy plane, if we take the projection of r coordinate, if we take the projection of point r, so what we get, we are taking the projection is like this. So this is the point in xy plane, and if we join that point from the origin, this we are joining the point. So this point subtend an angle with x-axis, and this is known as phi. So the phi goes from 0 till 0 to till 360. So the limit of phi is 0 to 360 degree. So let's see if these coordinates are making a sphere or not. So this is for confirmation that it is of these axes are for spherical polar coordinate. So this is x, these are the Cartesian coordinate system. This is x, this is y, and this is z. So let's assume a point P, and we joined that point from the origin, and this is known as r. The limit of r from is 0 to infinity. And this is phi. If we rotate that line, this is our theta. If we rotate that line from 0 till 360 degree, 0 to 360 degree, it will be like this. This is so we can assume this as half disk is like this. We can assume this as half disk. It is like this is half disk. And now let's assume that phi coordinate. So phi coordinate is vary from 0 to 360. So if we rotate that half disk, this is the disk, from here to 360 like this, so it will definitely gonna make, and it will definitely gonna make an sphere. If you can imagine it, you have to imagine it. If we rotate this disk from 0 degree from x-axis to 360 degree, it will gonna make a sphere.